That's a wrap. Harvest 2021.
That was it?
That's it. We're done the field.
Wow.
Yeah, on to the next orchard. Yeah, we had extreme heat, which caused the fruit to ripen much faster than normal. Like these young boys you see here working with me, we hired them, and normally we would be doing, a whole week of prep before we start harvest. Literally, they finished school, they got out here, I trained them, and within a day or two, we were in full-blown harvest and going as fast as we could just to keep up.